Your new induction hob is sparkling clean. For now. But as soon as you start cooking on it, that doesn't last long. Moving pots and pans back and forth quickly causes scratches. When you're not paying attention, something boils over and gets burnt. Or grease splatters everywhere. The only thing that helps is a good scrubbing. Save yourself the trouble. Protect your induction hob while cooking with a FireMat. Simply place the FireMat onto the induction hob, set the pot on top of it and start cooking. It catches all the splatter and keeps scratches at bay. After cooking, either wipe it down or throw it in the washing machine. The FireMat is available in different sizes that fit your induction hob or suit your needs. And you have options, either the black edition, which is the basic version, the silk edition that is non-slip with a silicone coating, or the Silk A edition, which is also non-slip and even grease repellent. Each FireMat is completely heat-resistant, guaranteed non-flammable and even TUV certified. Protect your induction hob and order your FireMat today.